Are Doberman Pinschers good with pet ferrets? Are Doberman Pinschers good with pet ferrets? This is a common question that potential dog owners may have when considering bringing a Doberman into their home, especially if they already have a pet ferret. While every dog is unique and individual temperaments can vary, there are a few general considerations to keep in mind when introducing these two animals to each other. First of all, it's important to understand the natural instincts of both Doberman Pinschers and ferrets. Dobermans are known for their protective nature and can be quite territorial. On the other hand, ferrets are small, energetic creatures with curious personalities. This difference in size and behavior can sometimes present challenges when trying to establish harmony between a Doberman and a pet ferret. It's worth noting that Dobermans are generally bred for their guarding tendencies. Historically, they were used as guard dogs and had to be alert and protective of their surroundings. While modern-day Dobermans are often raised as family pets, they may still possess some of these inherent protective instincts. This can be a cause for concern when introducing them to a small, vulnerable ferret. That being said, with proper socialization and training, it is possible for a Doberman Pinscher to coexist peacefully with a pet ferret. The key is to introduce them slowly and carefully to ensure that both animals feel safe and secure in each other's presence. It's also important to closely supervise their interactions, especially in the beginning stages. One method of introducing a Doberman to a pet ferret is through scent swapping. This involves allowing each animal to become familiar with the other's scent before they actually meet face-to-face. This can be done by rubbing a towel or article of clothing on one animal and then placing it near the other for them to sniff and investigate. This gradual exposure can help them become accustomed to each other's presence and reduce any potential fear or aggression. Another important aspect to consider is the socialization history of the Doberman. If the dog has been properly socialized from a young age and exposed to a variety of different animals, including small creatures like ferrets, they may be more accepting and tolerant. However, if the Doberman has had limited socialization experiences or has shown signs of aggression towards other animals in the past, it may be more challenging to establish a peaceful coexistence with a ferret. It's also essential to create separate spaces for each animal within the home. This allows them to have their own territory and reduces the likelihood of any territorial disputes. Providing plenty of toys, hiding spots, and enrichment activities for both the Doberman and the ferret can also help keep them occupied and prevent any boredom-related conflicts. In addition to socialization and territory management, it's crucial to provide proper training and obedience for your Doberman Pinscher. A well-trained and disciplined dog is more likely to follow commands and respect the boundaries set in place. This can help ensure the safety of both the Doberman and the ferret, as well as provide peace of mind for the pet owner. Ultimately, the success of the relationship between a Doberman Pinscher and a pet ferret depends on the individual animals, their personalities, and the efforts put into their introduction and ongoing management. While it may require some extra time and effort, it is possible to have a harmonious household with both a Doberman and a ferret. In conclusion, introducing a Doberman Pinscher to a pet ferret requires careful consideration and proper planning. While Dobermans have protective instincts that may pose challenges, with proper socialization, training, and supervision, it is possible for these two animals to coexist peacefully. Each situation is unique, and it's important to evaluate the behavior and temperament of both animals before making a decision. With patience and effort, a Doberman and a ferret can become unlikely but loving companions in a household.